The following message is transmitted at the request of the The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Henry County in southeastern Iowa, southeastern Washington County in southeastern Iowa, until 8:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:27 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Wayland, or 7 miles south of Washington, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mount Pleasant, Winfield, Wayland, Crawfordsville, Olds, Westwood, Mount Union, Coppock, Henry County Fairgrounds, Oakland Mills, Noble, Oakland Mills Park, Mount Pleasant Municipal Armed Waterworks Park, Suedesburg and Trenton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.